Bulldozer has found a nice lawn, and Truck has brought a pink cube. Let's unload it here. Bulldozer brings a yellow cube, and Truck a red one. Bulldozer moves up 2 cubes, brown and orange. Oh, Truck has also got an orange cube. Bulldozer doesn't waste time and brings 2 cubes again, this time green and blue ones. It seems like Truck decides to keep up and also brings 2 cubes, gray and purple. Like this, Truck is ahead of Bulldozer and the purple cube is already on its spot. Friends are happy. Crane brings number 1 and puts it on a gray cube. Cars are rushing for the numbers. Truck has brought numbers. Crane puts number 2 on the orange cube. The color on the numbers corresponds to the color of the cubes. Number 3 on the red cube, 4 on the yellow, 5 on the pink, 6 on the brown, 7 on the green, and 8 on the purple. There's 1 left, blue cube. Oh, where is number 9? Oh, Bulldozer brings number 9. Now all the cubes have their own numbers. Wow, so cool! Good job, cars!